AI platform ChatGPT might be getting integrated into crypto, and Polygon shares impressive numbers ahead of a new launch. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter at Altcoin Buzz.io, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Bitcoin starts the second week of February in a newly bearish mood as multi-month highs fail to hold. To those predicting a major Bitcoin price come down, Bitcoin is back under the $23,000 mark and making lower lows on an hourly time frame. While comparatively strong at just under $23,000, the weekly close still failed to beat the previous one and represented a rejection at a key resistance level from mid-2022. Breaking below 22,500 would be a bearish confirmation. Traders say the current bear market rally has created the perfect environment for people to keep buying all the dips when the current trend reverses, which would be the perfect scenario for a capitulation event in the next few weeks. Not everyone believes that the US will pull off the soft landing when it comes to lowering inflation and will instead experience a recession. Investor Andy West, co-founder of Longlead Capital Partners and Hedgequarters, said, "Don't be surprised if the term soft landing remains around for a while before the rug being pulled in Q3 or Q4 this year." On-chain research from Santiment notes that the number of smaller Bitcoin wallets has ballooned this year since Bitcoin crossed the $20,000 mark once more on January 13th. 620,000 new wallets with a maximum of 0.1 Bitcoin have reappeared. That event, Santiment says, marks the moment when FOMO returned to the market with the highest amount of wallets since November 19th, 2022. A look at the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, meanwhile, showed greed still being the primary description of the market sentiment. On January 30th, the index hit its greediest level since Bitcoin's November 2021 all-time highs. Last week, I asked you guys if you prefer to have $10 million in cash or in crypto, and Revved Up Biker and Ioninus said this: "It seems the overall sentiment is to put $10 million in crypto for the next bull run." Payment company Visa plans to allow customers to convert digital assets to fiat currencies on its platform, according to a presentation from the company's crypto division head at Starkware Sessions 2023. Kui Sheffield of Visa said, "We've been testing out how to actually accept settlement payments from issuers in USDC starting on Ethereum and paying out USDC on Ethereum. According to the executive, global settlement with digital assets in fiat currencies is one of the avenues that Visa is investing in." He specifically stated, "That's been one of the areas where we want to build muscle memory. The same way that we can convert dollars and euros on a cross-border transaction, we should be able to convert digital tokenized dollars to traditional dollars." The payment giant has been exploring how to incorporate blockchain technology into its existing network to move money faster, but settlements still take place on the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications, or the SWIFT system, so we can't move money as frequently as we'd like because there are a number of limitations that exist in those networks. And so we've been experimenting. Russia's largest bank, Sberbank, is moving forward with the plan to launch its decentralized finance platform. Currently being tested in private beta, Sberbank's upcoming DeFi platform will be fully open by the end of April, enabling users to conduct the first commercial transactions. The blockchain platform will be compatible with the Ethereum blockchain, allowing customers to use major wallets such as MetaMask to move their assets. It appears to be unclear how the upcoming platform is going to be regulated because Russia is yet to come up with a digital currency regulation. According to the head of Duma's Committee of Financial Market, Russia will definitely adopt crypto regulations in 2023. Sberbank was struggling to launch some blockchain tools over the past few years due to multiple delays of registration by the Russian central bank. Originally expecting to launch its digital asset issuance platform in 2021, Sberbank eventually received the Bank of Russia's approval in spring 2022. The Russian government is the majority shareholder in Sberbank, holding 50% plus one share. Ethereum has also witnessed a much healthier on-chain activity recently, with improved interest in NFTs, led by the launch of a minigame by Yuga Labs. Daily fees on the blockchain have more than doubled since the start of the year, from around $2 million to $4 to $6 million, and ETH supply has hit a new deflationary record at negative 0.2% per year. The Binance native blockchain BNB chain continued to show steady activity growth in the fourth quarter of last year, despite the broader crypto bear market. In a State of BNB Chain Q4 2022 report published on February 5th, Messari researcher James Trontman revealed that the Binance network has continued an aggressive strategy to deploy financial and human capital across its ecosystem. Due to these ongoing updates and developments, average daily active addresses and transactions bucked a downward trend and grew 30% and 0.2% respectively. Trontman wrote that while 20 2022 was a tumultuous year for the crypto industry, the BNB chain lived up to its build and build name with network upgrades and ecosystem expansion that showed considerable strength throughout Q4. BNB Smart Chain unique addresses are currently at an all-time high of 250 million according to BSC Scan. Average daily new unique addresses grew by 41.3% year-on-year. Messari attributed the growth to the adoption of several ecosystem protocols such as Web3 onboarding protocol Hooked, a surge of DeFi activity on Venus protocol, and an increased NFT activity on the OpenSea marketplace. Binance also just released a new tax tool for its users. In a blog post they wrote, they say tax season is a dreaded time of year for many, especially crypto users. Scouring a spreadsheet and computing all your transactions, gains, and losses throughout the past year can be, well, taxing. If you're struggling to stay on top of your crypto taxes or just looking to speed up the process, make sure to check out our recently launched crypto tax calculator, Binance Tax. The tax platform is free for Binance users, but as of right now, it's only available in Canada and France as they work to add support for other regions. Tron founder Justin Sun on Saturday announced a plan for a Tron blockchain and artificial intelligence-oriented decentralized payment framework for the AI systems ChatGPT and OpenAI. He says it will set a new standard in decentralized finance. The integration with AI systems like ChatGPT and OpenAI will bring a new level of efficiency and convenience to payment systems. The framework covers a smart contract system based on the Tron blockchain, the payment layer protocol, the underlying calling SDK, and the AI payment gateway. Justin Sun said the Tron-based payment framework will create a decentralized payment system that he believes the payment system will be secure, trustworthy, tamper-proof, and anti-censorship. Also, the AI integration will help people build a new decentralized intelligent financial ecosystem. Polygon's ZkEVM may be even closer than we thought. Their ZkEVMs are designed to execute smart contracts in a manner that supports zero-knowledge technology. ZkEVMs are part of zero-knowledge rollups, Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solutions that improve throughput by transferring computation and state storage off-chain. Polygon Daily posted some stats for Polygon ZkEVM testnet on Twitter, saying the final Polygon ZkEVM testnet, which launched last year, has seen a surge of developers and users eager to experience the future Ethereum scaling. For the second testnet, the time to produce a proof for a batch of transactions was reduced to 4 minutes from 10 minutes. And each of those batches is also larger, more throughput, more quickly. Now proofs are generated faster at lower cost for users, which is already less than 4 cents per transaction. Polygon co-founder Sandeep said last month they have a date for the mainnet launch, and it's soon, but they have yet to say anything publicly. But we know the testnet is going well, and it's currently being audited by 2 firms. So my guess is it will be coming sometime in the next month in time for the Shanghai upgrade. The Boba Foundation, on behalf of the community around the Boba Network, announced a successful governance vote to deploy the leading decentralized exchange Uniswap v3 on the Boba Network, Layer 2 on Ethereum. The community overwhelmingly voted in favor of the move, with a 51 million vote saying yes of the 40 million needed. The proposal, submitted by Boba Foundation and Franklin DAO, was backed by noteworthy organizations such as Franklin DAO, GFX Labs, Blockchain at Michigan, Gauntlet, and Consensus. The outcome will result in Uniswap's v3 deployment on the Boba Ethereum network in the coming weeks, and Uniswap v3 is only on 5 chains, with the Boba Network set to become the 6th. Boba Network is an optimistic-based multi-chain Layer 2 scaling solution that aims to unlock the potential of roll-up technology and enable a more flexible blockchain communication. The protocol is fully compatible with EVM-based tools and has already deployed multi-chain support for Avalanche, BNB, Moonbeam, and Phantom. With its deployment on the Boba Network, Uniswap has the opportunity to expand its community to include the users within Boba's multi-chain ecosystem, significantly increasing both its total value locked and its transaction volume. The deployment presents Uniswap with the opportunity to bolster its presence in key Asian markets, with Boba already having a strong adoption among South Korean users, recently expanding into Japan and other countries in that region. Cardano Whales have been moving a lot of ADA recently. ADA Whale on Twitter shared Cardano had the highest daily volume since launch a year ago on MinSwap DEX yesterday at 11 million ADA, and the biggest week in a long time. Over 30 million ADA has been locked into the JED smart contract as more people mint the new Cardano stablecoin. Santiment shares a chart saying 3 of the more polarizing assets in crypto, Cardano, Shiba Inu, and Hex, are seeing big spikes in large whale transactions. When 100K plus transactions spike on a network, it historically is associated with upcoming price shifts. Monitor closely. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.